Welcome back to Gather and Celebrate. Today we're celebrating Mother's Day and we're going to be making some delicious, buttery, moist lavender shortbread cookies. So let's get cooking.
So dried lavender can be intense, but if you grind it into a powder first, you will get that perfect floral flavor. So next I measure my flour, always using a scale. Baking is a science. But the real stars here are butter, sugar, and that fragrant lavender. So I mix those together on high using my stand mixer with the paddle attachment, but my rolling mat was missing. So I used a damp towel under parchment, old school trick that totally works. I floured my rolling pin and dough, rolled it out to about 1/4 inch thick, and cut them into simple rectangles, though cookie cutters would be cute too. I shaped and baked at 350 for 20 minutes, but I couldn't help reshaping a few just to make them look extra polished before baking. Delicate, buttery, and just floral enough.
Wow, those lavender cookies were amazing. They're super simple to make. You can whip them up in no time at all. You can even prep these ahead of time by just, prepping the dough, putting them in the refrigerator, and then at the time of the meal, pop them in the oven and they'll be ready for your guests. So I hope you enjoyed these lavender shortbread cookies. If you're hosting a dinner party soon, you should grab my ultimate dinner party guide below. It's free. There's a link to it. I use the Maslow's hierarchy of needs to make sure that all my guests' needs are met, that they have an amazing time, and they leave feeling nourished and fulfilled from my gathering. So you can grab a link to that below. Go ahead and hit that like button if you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next episode.